Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can download Shein application. Now to do that, you need to open the Google Play Store at first on your Android device. If you are using a iOS device, you need to go to the App Store. In the Google Play Store, on the search bar, you type in Shein, then tap on search, which will give you the result and the application on the top. You tap on install and wait for the application to be downloaded first. Now once the downloading process is completed and the application is installed, you tap on open. Shein is an application where you can easily buy clothes for yourself, where you will have a lot of options to choose from. It is an online clothing store. It is a fun and ultra affordable online shopping platform. Fashion, home, beauty, accessories, shoes, pets, electronics, you can find everything over here. So this is a way how you can easily download the Shein application on your phone device. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.